आज शेक ओनर्स आमचे शेक असोसिएशन आपयल्ले आशिल्ले शेक सीजन सोंपला एंड एज अ स्पेशल केस एवरी इयर इंस्टेड ऑफ May 31st 10th of June पर्यंत ते मागतात तर 10th of June पर्यंत तांकां सब्जेक्ट टू द वेदर कंडिशन्स तांकां परमिशन दिल्ले येता आसतना डायरेक्टर ऑफ द ओपिनियन दॅट हाव वी गो अबाउट विथ इट 3 वर्सां ऑलरेडी शेक पॉलिसी ह्या वर्सा सोंपता and ताजे खातीर डिसिजन वॉज टू आयदर गो विथ अ न्यू शेक पॉलिसी or extend it by 1 year. The government and the department has taken a decision along with the शेक owners to extend the शेक policy by 1 more year. 1 वर्ष आणि शेक policy on same terms and conditions वाढवूंक लायल्या. Certain implementation of sustainability, how we can replace plastic and ensure that we are able to come with sustainable products on the sheks, giving a very clear message of regenerative tourism. Secondly, in terms of shekathon आमी केल्लें, so certain belts which can be combined with well connected high speed Wi-Fi, so high speed internet तांकां दिवप so that the people who are coming can utilize the sheks also for co-working. At the same time तांकां थंय revenue वाडटा with the people who are coming to work out of those sheks with तांचे जेवण खाण. वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स वाल्यांकूय तांकां तो बिझनेस वाडटा ताजे खातीर थंय हाय स्पीड दिवप आनी सर्टन एरियाज प्रोवायड देम विथ pods are structures, temporary structures which are standing on the within the available space where CRZ is given, where they can be put in one pod which is there. They can म्हणजे भितरल्यान रावन ते काम करूंक शकता on the beach. So certain things we have spoken to them and ensured that this forthcoming season डायरेक्टरान तांकां प्रॉमिस केला की जाता तितले बेगीन we will start the renewal process on the same terms and conditions of the शेक policy on the extension of this policy. आणि ते 1 वर्साक जे आमी एक्सटेंड करता तातूंत जाता तितले बेगीन आमी तांचे रिन्यूवल करून दितले. सो बिफोर 15th of August the Department of Tourism is committed that all the people who have applied, and हांवें तांकां सांगलां सगळ्यांक एप्लाय करपाक लाय, सगळ्यांचे परमिशन बिफोर 15th of August दिता so that before September 1st they are ready for the season. जशें लास्ट 3-4 वर्सांक पयल्या फावटी इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम जाला की पयलीं टुरिस्ट येवन शेकाक रावताले, आतां शेक टुरिस्टांक रावता. So again this year also we have been able to support them and they have been the ambassadors of tourism, moving tourism ahead. तांचे इश्यूज समजून घेतिल्ले आसा आनी डायरेक्टरान तांकां प्रॉमिस केला की कितें आसा ते इश्यूज वी विल अंडरस्टँड एंड एन्श्योर दॅट दे आर टेकन केअर ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लिमेंट. शेवटी आमी कॉलॉबरेट करून काम केलें जाल्यारूच सिजन बरें आसतलें, बरें वतलें आनी तांकां बरें वतलें. तांकां बरें वचप म्हणजे गोंयाक बरें वचप and ते कशें बरोबर रावन करप from north to south is some things which we have discussed today and I think this is how we will go about extension of the शेक policy by 1 more year.
Rohan, any issue they highlighted शेक
किती issue highlight करेंगे?
आम्ही same policy extend करता न्ही, we are extending the same policy. So
nothing issues they are having शेक owners?
There are issues, let them share, but whatever issues are they have been addressed in the meeting itself. We are here to support them. So तांचे केन्ना issues आयले we have supported them. Our team has supported them and henceforth also we will support them as long as we need to ensure that legality continues. Shortcomings they have to understand. खंय पडटा की एंड ऑफ द डे टुरिस्ट इफेक्ट जाला जाल्यार गोंयाक टुरिझम इफेक्ट जाता आनी तांकां टुरिस्ट फुटफॉल इफेक्ट जाता. बरोबर काम केल्यार सारकें जाता. सो ते तांकां आनी आमी बरोबर काम करतात. Director also effectively has been supporting them with all small issues what have come up and will ensure that the season this year also goes well for the tourists and for our stakeholders like the शेक operators.
So there was a proposal that all the staff at the sheks they should have a uniform identity card with QR code. So
this year we also from surveillance point of view एक तांचो इश्यू आसा की hawkers touts continuously आसात. ताज्या खातीर ह्या वर्साक we have proposed that we will come with the drone mechanism. Beach vigil app जो आसा त्या beach vigil app we have only the things where photo card बाकीचे घाल upload कर आनी पळय. This season we will ensure that drone surveillance is added. So whether it's the beach garbage, whether it is the beach surveillance on touts, whether in terms of the mechanism that needs to be done for a better foolproof movement, जे encroachment आसा, बाकीचे आसा, illegalities असतात, curb करपाक, we will ensure that this mechanism is there and the drone mechanism which will be implemented from north to south will complement that whole idea of the where proper compliances of things are there as far as the beach is concerned in terms of safety, cleanliness, clean of touts and other rest of the things.
Who will monitor this drone surveillance? Drone surveillance?
The beach vigil app itself will be complemented with that. So beach vigilance also jata. So we will pull the data from the drone and action will be asked to be taken by the respective people. So the garbage asa, beach cleaning agency, tout asa, police. So accountability with recorded things will be very clear on the beach what is happening, for which action has to be taken by the respective departments.